Have you ever thought that Facebook during this lockdown, how can it help you to publicize your product? Hello there, I'm Tulika B. Mukherjee, and I'm here to share some wonderful tips in your very own channel, Your Personality Development Master. And here I'm going to share with you some wonderful tips, just as in the previous video I had told you how to use the social media platforms for your benefit. Now, there may be some queries, in some of my viewers, as in that Tulika has always spoken about personality development. Now, what is social media platform doing in between the niche that she is usually speaking of? I'll tell you one thing. Personality development is just not something that you have to carry your persona when you are interacting with somebody. Personality development is also the complete you. How you tackle the situation when you are in the lockdown, sitting at home, but still working and earning. See, personality development has got lots to do with how smart you are, in and out both. Okay, so let's begin. So today's topic is on Facebook. My other topics that will be coming after these informations will be on different social media platform that will include Twitter and Instagram, YouTube, and so many others. Okay, so let's begin with Facebook. What all you have to do and keep it in mind. Okay, so in Facebook, as in the previous video I had told you that on Thursdays and Fridays you have to post about your product, your brand information that you want to post it on Facebook. You have to take care that it has to go at 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. on Thursdays and Fridays. Okay, now what all the other things that you have to take into account? The things that you have to take into account, the first is, like, when you go in Facebook, see to it that you find and like 5 pages. I think, like, when we go in Facebook, we straight away come across with so many informations about our friends and their pictures. These days lots of them are trying to cook things, so when they are coming up with their recipes, we are into liking it and commenting. So find and like 5 pages, and keep in mind that they should be the groups that you are into. Yes, as many groups. See, naturally, when you cover major groups, maximum groups, then you will be publicizing yourself more. Simple. Okay, now the second thing is that you have to comment at least 2 pages a day. Yes, you have to comment 2 pages a day. Now, naturally, we usually end up commenting, oh, you're beautiful, you're looking lovely, nice, yummy, or whatever. Okay, here I'm not talking about your comments that you give in your, pages that are of your friends. I'm talking here about the groups that you are in, and this will only publicize your informations that you will be posting. Okay, now the third thing is the 2 posts a day related to your brand. So you have to post minimum 2 posts related to your brands. Now for me, my brand is Catalika Consultancy, Foundation for Education and Empowerment. Through Catalika, we give training to teachers and students. So what I have to publicize for my brand is what all informations I will be providing. So there should be at least 2 posts a day related to my niche. Okay, now fourth is always include call to action. We all do it, naturally. We go on the page, we find our friends, so we like, comment and share. But here, keep a check that when you are into some group, cover as much information, and those special shares that you do that are going to play a very important role when you share them, because you know what happens when we share, maximum people of that group who have already seen it will be again visualizing it, or there will be some new people seeing it, so you will be covering so many people. Okay, now the fifth is that add hashtag so your post appears on trending topics. Now what is that? We usually most of us put the hashtags. Hashtags is actually used by Google. What happens is that there is SEO. You must have heard about the term SEO, that is search engine optimization. Yes, I am into digital marketing as well, so I can provide you ample information about the marketing stuff that is going on these days digitally. So as we all know that search engine optimization is a gear that only will help you to come up with your brand very positively, and you'll be earning sitting at home. That is really possible. So what happens is when you put a hashtag in your post mentioning what is the post all about, what happens when somebody is searching in the search engine about that particular topic, since you have added that hashtag, your post naturally pops up. So the person searching it may or may not be knowing you, but ends up finding out information about your brand. Isn't that nice? Yes, it is. So, most important tip before I end, I would like to give you, and that is don't forget to tag people and pages in your posts. Now, how can you do that and why should you do that? But before that, please keep in mind that when you tag your friends, it should not be a forced tag. There are people who like it, there are people who do not like you jumping inside their pages, okay, popping inside your page, I should say. So please take their permission before you post or tag anything on their pages, okay. So for Facebook I have this much for today. In my next episode I'll be coming up with some new information about some other platform. So till then, bye bye. But before that, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.